Today we're going to look at adding two numbers together. You may want to use something like we did with our number line the other day, such as pasta or toys.
Hi guys, Mrs. Haynes here. Today we're going to start looking at addition and we're going to do some number sentences. Do you remember in class we talked about addition before? Anyone remember what's special about a number when we're adding? Ooh. Go on. Yeah, that's right. When we add a number, we're making the number bigger. Okay, so the number will always go up the number line, not down, because if it was going down, we would be taking away or subtracting, and we're not subtracting, we're adding. Okay, the sign that tells us that we are adding is this one. This is the plus sign. Addition means addition. Okay, so whenever you see this, you know that you're going to add the two numbers together to get a bigger number. Okay. Some of you sent me some amazing pictures of the number lines you had made, and I was really impressed with them. They were fab. So you might use that today to help you to add together the two numbers in your number sentences that Mrs. Haynes wants you to answer. Okay, so now we're going to practice a number sentence together before you go off and do the task that Mrs. Haynes has set for you. We are going to use our number line on this first number sentence to help us to work out the answer. Do you remember that when we use a number line, we hop along the numbers like a frog, from lily pad to lily pad. So when we're adding more, we're going to go up the line. So this number sentence we're going to work out together is 3 add 2 equals, oh look, there's another symbol that's very important, our equals sign, okay, because then we put the answer after it, don't we? So when we use a number line, we're going to start on the number 3 on this number sentence because that is the first number, and we're going to add 2 3. So here is number 3, and we need to add how many more? 2. We need to add 2 more digits. So we're going to start on 3 and we're going to jump 1, 2. Ooh, what number have we landed on? Number 5. So 3 add 2 equals 5. Good job. Okay. On the next number sentence, we're going to use something to help us to count out the amounts. So I'm going to use counters because that's what I've got with me. You could use pasta or your toys or your pencils or pens or something that you have around the house that can help you to count out that amount. Okay, so our first number, oh, Mrs. Haynes hasn't drawn another one, oh my goodness. Okay, so our next number sentence is going to be, 5 add 3. Okay, so you'll do this on the carpet so it'll be a bit easier, but I'm going to have to stick my counters to the board so you can see. Let's count them together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and how many counters do I need here? 3, well done. Okay, so we're going to count 1, 2, objects like this, the best way to do it is to count how many all together. Okay, so I'm going to count this side and then I'm going to carry on to see what number I get to by putting these ones on there as well. So, like this. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So all together I have 8 counters. So that is my answer. I am going to put 8 over here after the equal sign because I have 5 counters here and 3 here. And when I add them together and count how many all together, I have 8. Okay? So that is another way that we can work that out. So what I would like you to do now is have a little look at the sheet that Mrs. Haynes has attached to this activity, and it has some of these sums on there, these number sentences for you to have a go at. Try your best and send me your work, and then I can give you some special points like work merits, okay, and we can see who gets the most points by the end of the week from all the activities that we're doing. Okay, have fun, and I'll be back soon.
Just like when we were at school, remember, it's okay to ask for help. Remember I said you could use something to help you count, just like you saw me use in the video.